Alright guys, just going to show you something real quick. Can't really turn my back from this guy. He's pretty much a full-bred fighting rooster. I've named him Gallo de Cielo. You can look up that song if you want. A guy by the name of, I think Bolin does that. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys a new and improved chicken waterer that I made. Really simple design here. What I did was I used the cup waterers. You guys probably know they have water that fills this little bowl. When they activate that, you can see it's got a good amount of pressure there. Got 3 of them on here, and then I just attached them. I think these were really made for copper tubing or maybe Plex. Kind of wish I had done some Plex with this whole system. I just used copper because here in the desert Southwest we run copper lines for our evaporative coolers. And so what I did was these waterers actually came with these nipples that fit these waterers. And so it's 1/2 inch. They've got a little T on there, adapter. It fits perfectly. Those actually I got off of eBay, and I'll put the link below, either to there or somewhere else where you can get them. And then it's just 1/2 inch PVC. I've got a 1/2 inch cap on that, which in hindsight I probably should have put an elbow with a plug on the end of that. And then right here you can see my connection. Oop, I think that might have a little bit of a leak, just a little bit, or maybe that was some residual when I put it together. But I used one of these actually and ran my copper tubing down into here. That's just a compression fitting with a little adapter that is sold for swamp coolers. And there's Gallo de Cielo. He's making his way over here to protect his ladies. I gotta make sure that I'm don't turn my back on him. I got a plug and an elbow on this end. That's what I'm gonna put on the other end. I've already determined I'm gonna cut that end off, put me an elbow and a plug, which is easier to clean out, and then we'll go from there. Gallo can't stand me. He's even fought my German Shepherd. He's got 9 ladies. We don't do any kind of cockfighting. We find that repulsive, but we actually rescued him and some of his brothers and sisters where their mother hatched them out in the wild. But that's another story. Anyway, I bought a 27-gallon tote. Yes, Gallo, you're in charge. I bought a 27-gallon tote at Home Depot, and then a 3/4 inch spigot with a evaporative cooler bleed off line. You can just see it right there. I'll go around and maybe you can see it better. Let me. There you go. And so it's got an evaporative cooler bleeder line on it. And then inside the tote, what I've got is a overflow valve, again for an evaporative cooler. And so that overflow valve has the threads for that 3/4 inch spigot, and allows you just to tie right into there. It's got a couple of rubber gaskets that you can put on there. I used a 1-inch hose saw to make that hole to connect everything together. So hopefully it's going to work out well. It's got 27 gallons in there. I think I'm going to put some baling wire up on here to kind of hold this in case these guys start to want to use this as a roost. But that should be a good little vacation water for if y'all please hit that like button, subscribe, share some comments, let us know what you think about that. And if you need any help walking you through it, I'm going to put a list of materials and things I use to make this little simple vacation waterer. And again, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.